Mister.
I'm Shifa Melani.
I'm Anastasia Theodora.
I'm Jordan Martiana.
We are from 11 MIPA 3.
We are going to explain about flash flood.
So we're gonna explain about flash flood. A flash flood is a rapid flooding of low-lying areas like oceans, rivers, dry lakes, and depressions. It may be caused by heavy rain associated with a severe thunderstorm, hurricane, or tropical storm, or by meltwater from ice or snow flowing over ice sheets or snowfields. Flash floods may also occur after the collapse of a natural ice or debris dam, or a human structure such as a man-made dam, as occurred before the Johnstone flood of 1889. Flash floods are distinguished from regular floods by having a time scale of fewer than 6 hours between rainfall and the onset of flooding.
Flash floods most often occur in dry areas that have recently received precipitation, but they may be seen anywhere downstream from the source of the precipitation, even many miles from the source. In areas on or near volcanoes, flash floods have also occurred after eruptions, when glaciers have been melted by the intense heat. Flash floods are known to occur in the highest mountain range of the United States and are also common in the arid plains of the southwestern United States. Flash flooding can also be caused by extensive rainfall released by hurricanes and other tropical storms, as well as the sudden thawing effect and ice dams. Human activities can also cause flash floods to occur. When dams fail, a large quantity of water can be released and destroying everything in its path.
Impact. Flash flood induce severe impact in both the built and the natural environment. The effect of flash flood can be catastrophic and show extensive diversity, ranging from damage in building and infrastructure to impact on vegetation, human life, and livestock. The effects are particularly difficult to characterize in urban areas, depending on the affected element. The flood effects are grouped into 4 categories. The first, impact on built environment. The second, impact on man-made mobile object. Third, impact on the natural environment, or including vegetation, agriculture, geomorphology, and pollution. And the last, impact on the human population.